Morning, guys. Jamaican are the best TV. I would just have a jump right in the news. Yeah, man. I'm gonna see what I'm going for, what I'm going.
People them we love watch people business. Sad but a Christmas Eve and that are the topic. People love watch people business. You see me? Everybody know somebody like that in them life. Not now go on for you, nobody now chat to you. As soon as something start going for you, everybody and their mama have something to say. But as Cartel say, I have my own opinion. You need yours. Is it? So watch this now. You know where I want to go on already with the situation. Get a one drive and come like say people start, strive to stay alive. True, me have a drive. Virgin, I'm to you. I'm to Uno. See? I'm glad when people are excelling in life. Because when not now go on with people, you sit down and chat them the worst of your brethren. I'm telling you something. A true means a youth where when I hear certain things mine, you see it? But certain time, I have to say certain things, brethren, because watch out. If you remain too humble, people will go on like them styling of the worst. Yeah. Everybody who know me know say, yo, me hate style. Brethren, me hate styling thing. Yo, I'm telling you, I'm not style people. I'm not style people because people always say, if I need to smile more. I say, yo, I'm not smile up with people. Because when I smile up with people, I give them a false sense of reality. Because in reality, I'm not going to smile up with every man and a friend. I have no reason for to see people and I smile. But anytime me and people have a overs and we govern, me will smile. See all of that for say this, see? The people that me love watch people birching. Stop it. Stop watch people party. Some man know all a chat but me never even know no. Me never even know no. It's like when a bad mind say, I me name Shawn Stam. Like I only did one name Shawn Stam. I only do one be Cartel, brother. I never me for big Cartel, brother. I sound and look pussy. Sound bad man look bad man a bum buckler. That's why I never pray you know. Because all I want to know somebody will love chat, either on the community, on a neighbor, a family member, or a friend. We just love chat. Them chat about everything except for themselves and for them business. Virgin. 2025, we are cut out all of them kind of people. So for the New Year resolution, make sure the number one thing is to cut out people who love chat people. Because more while you know why not chat with people about it. You see the chat people, them come in your ears stay so. As your ching says, zip up your ears, brother. Put a zip in your ears and zip it. So that means you can't hear them. Remember the three monkey them, one goes so, and one goes so. You see the one that goes so, that we are dealing with for next year, 2025. We are lock out all negativity, all people we are chat. Lock them out. Because them are distraction. And them are hold on to. I tell you the truth, them are hold on to. Because instead of them happy for we, them still have bad things to say about we. Look at all the Cartel do man. Look at Cartel do my youth. Look at Cartel do party. And people still have bad to say about the man. Oh, look what Cartel do. Since the man fought out of prison. And people still have bad to say about the man. We have to stop it now, Virgin. Lord make we live. Lord make we bomb, dog. Lord make we live, dog. You go and sing my song them while them go and chat about me. Me I sing about my life. Don't? Oh, he don't know that. What that time there knows. I'm out.
We live America. Then come to Mosiah. Come to Crystal. Come to Ikera. Macadine just turned 18 one day, so come to them. Come to your picnic them. I don't want to be a road manager. And then now. Yeah, worry about being king. Yeah, worry about the next man who actually take care and mute them. Yeah, worry about, and no matter how old them want to be, he might take care and mute them. Yeah, worry about a man who take care of everybody around him. That's what you worry about. You know what you're going to do? You're going to buy a Maserati. To prove what? To prove that you're the king? You need to be king of your kids them. If you fight for be king father. If you fight for be king a father. Oh yeah, fight for be king. And you not fight for be king in your family. I don't understand it none at all. I don't get it. You see me? Yeah, fight for be king of dancehall. Yes, you will always be the king of dancehall. But guess what? Yeah, fight for the wrong thing then, bro. Everything what you do in your life, you give your woman control over it. Every move where you make, and your woman control it. If your woman say jump, you say, oh, I can't remember, say, tell me, say, for do that. And she said, no. No, when we come back, you change your mouth and say, that you tell me. So, oh, you fight for being king of that, you not fight for be a good father. I don't want to do anything for me. Nothing from me at 13, no. From me at 14, me I tell you that. I go as far as tell you, say, if you have a will, and if you don't have one, take me a fight. And if me not depend it, like, and me should even have said that neither, because guess what, you are my father, you're supposed to do it. But guess what, me not gonna go down the road there with you for say, oh, come here, big man. Me I take care of myself, I'm quite alright. My friend them can tell you, I'm good. My family them, rest of family them, I'm good. I'm good. But my cup overflowing now. Like, you don't even understand. Bro, you don't even understand, brother. Yeah, fight for be king. That's your fight final. I'm sure you, I never yet do this in a life. Never. But we say, you know, me make some little sly comments and really. But I always show you love and I always show you respect and make the world feel like, say, that you are the greatest. And you are not. I make the world feel like, say, yo, you do everything. Yo. And I give you no right, none at all, like never buy none of your car, no. Never ever in a life. I have worried a man will buy all I'm picking them a car and buy him daughter who can't even drive a car. Never. See verse today. He never did nothing for nobody. Never. And then I don't want him come on the internet and talk about Disha this and Disha that and you see me? I don't want him do that. So, cause I don't know him lying now. he will come and talk up a bag of things. I can't believe, say, I really you, when me go through so much with you, I really me, yeah, do this again. Like, I can't believe, like, it even makes sense, bro. You see me?